Is there?
Adakah?
9 Essential Malay Questions for Travel. Synapse Lingo. Welcome. Hey you, welcome. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Swing by www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources. Today you'll get confident with 9 tiny but mighty Malay questions for travel and daily life.
Adakah? Bolehkah saya? Saya perlu. Di mana? Apa itu? Berapa harga? Saya ingin. Boleh kamu?
And
Boleh Anda?
keep your smile ready and your eyebrows in question mode. Your mission today. Ready to power up your travel Malay? You'll speak each phrase clearly and use it in a fun situation. Is there Wi-Fi? Say
Adakah?
Wi-Fi? May I sit here? Say
Bolehkah saya?
Duduk di sini. I need help. Say
Saya perlu.
Bantuan. Where is the exit? Say
Di mana?
Pintu keluar. What is this dish? Say
Apa itu?
Hidangan ini. How much does cost this? Say
Berapa harga?
ini. I would like iced tea. Say
Saya ingin.
teh ice. Can you show me? Say
Boleh kamu?
tunjuk saya. Can you formal print this? Say
Boleh Anda?
Sedik ini? Say it with rhythm. Clap on 2 and 4, then echo me. Keep it playful and confident. You.
Adakah?
You again, a bit brighter.
Adakah?
You.
Bolehkah saya?
Add a smile.
Bolehkah saya?
You.
Saya perlu.
With urgency.
Saya perlu.
You.
Di mana?
Shoulder shrug for effect.
Di mana?
You.
Apa itu?
Curious tone.
Apa itu?
You.
Berapa harga?
Money gesture.
Berapa harga?
You.
Saya ingin.
Polite and warm.
Saya ingin.
You.
Boleh kamu?
Friendly nod.
Boleh kamu?
You.
Boleh Anda?
Extra polite.
Boleh Anda?
Market mini dialogues. Imagine you're at a night market, colorful lights, amazing smells, and bargains waiting. You jump in confidently. You.
Saya ingin.
Ju manga talong. Seller. Bake, satu ju manga. You.
Berapa harga?
Ini. Seller. Tiga ringgit. You.
Bolehkah saya?
Ambil gambar jerai ini? Seller. Boleh, senyum ya. You.
Boleh kamu?
Tulis harga di sini? Seller. Boleh, sekejap. Lost and found drill. Now you're navigating the city like a pro, ask clearly, then listen. You. Excuse me.
Di mana?
Stesen. Local. Di hujung jalan, belok kiri. You.
Adakah?
Bakay Bunder Hari Ini. Local. Ya, Ada Pada Jam Dua Patong. You.
Boleh Anda.
Tunjuk Pita? Local. Boleh, Sini. Polite versus casual tips. You'll sound great when you pick the right tone for the moment. Use.
Bolehkah saya?
For formal and very polite, may I? In casual settings, you may also hear.
Boleh saya?
For can you? Friend to friend is.
Boleh kamu?
While service counters prefer.
Boleh Anda?
A friendly, tolong, please, and a smile go a long way. Quick quiz. Lightning round. Say it in Malay, answers follow after a short pause. Q1. I need. A.
Saya perlu.
Q2. Where is? A.
Di mana?
Q3. What is? A.
Apa itu?
Q4. How much does cost? A.
Berapa harga?
Q5. I would like. A.
Saya ingin.
Q6. May I? A.
Bolehkah saya?
Q7. Can you? To a friend. A.
Boleh kamu?
Q8. Can you? To staff. A.
Boleh Anda?
Q9. As there. A.
Adakah?
30-second challenge. Your turn. String phrases into mini scenes. Speak out loud. Cafe. Order politely. I would like an iced tea, please.
Saya ingin.
Teh ice, tolong. Museum. Ask permission to take a photo.
Bolehkah saya?
Amble Gamber? Street. Ask for directions to the exit.
Di mana?
Pintu keluar. Shop. Ask the price of this item.
Berapa harga?
Ini. Station. Ask if a bus exists today.
Adakah?
Bakay Bunder Hari Ini. Help. Ask someone to show you the platform, formal.
Boleh Anda?
Tunjuk platform? Goodbye from Synapse Lingo. Nice work, your Malay questions now pack a punch. Thanks for listening, keep practicing.
Adakah? Bolehkah saya? Saya perlu. Di mana? Apa itu? Berapa harga? Saya ingin. Boleh kamu?
And.
Boleh Anda?
For more lessons and freebies, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time with Synapse Lingo.